Hi everyone, welcome to WhatsApp tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your WhatsApp Business API application status. So if you have already set up your WhatsApp Cloud channel, then maybe if your Facebook account hasn't been verified, or maybe your display name hasn't been approved, or your commerce policy hasn't been checked yet, well, no worries. Today I'm going to teach you how you can check all of these statuses. Basically, after you have completed and created your WhatsApp channel, you can go to your Facebook Business Manager account. So in your Facebook Business Manager account, let's say this is the account, there is a business settings, and under the business settings, there is WhatsApp account. And then select the one that you have created and click on settings. Under settings, you will have the status of your verification. So if your business, in this case WhatsApp Tutorial Limited, hasn't completed the business verification, the WhatsApp commerce policy check will not start. So you will see review not started. If you are in progress of the business verification, it will say in progress. This is another screen capture that shows you whether your business has started verification or not. So if you haven't started it, it will say unverified. So now I'm going to show you, let's say if you have completed these two verification. So if you have verified your business, it will say verified with a green dot. If you have been approved by the commerce policy check, the account status will have a green dot and approved. Okay, so now the next thing that you can check is actually the display name and your phone number status. So you can click on WhatsApp Manager. And then when it opens, it will actually show you the status. Whether if you have an approved name, it will say pending here. If you haven't connected yet or haven't verified yet, it will say unavailable. If your message, this is the messaging limit for push notification limit. So if it is approved, it will be 1,000 messages per day. So this is only for notification or push notification message limit. If you are doing two-way conversation like between a user and a business, then it is unlimited. But because you haven't gotten your number approved yet, so it is unavailable. And this is a name which you can change by clicking this edit button. Because you haven't approved yet, so you still have time to change. And the certificate is not available because the account review has not yet started. You can also delete the number. Okay, so please mind that if you see the number here and the status is not yet connected, it means that you haven't connected it in WhatsApp. So you need to come here to WhatsApp to set up and then complete the entire process and deploy the WhatsApp in order to connect a number. So now let me show you what will happen if you have connected a sandbox number. After you have completed a sandbox number, you will show the number here. You will see the status connected. You will see the quality rating is high. The quality rating is affected by whether people has reported your business as being too annoying, spammy, or if you are sending message template that has a very low quality content. So try to keep all your messaging experience good so that you can keep your quality rating high. If it continues to drop and to the point that it is flagged, then you have trouble, because flagged status means next time there is a drop in quality rating, your account will be banned. Then you can see here it is called sandbox in the messaging limit. So it is indicating that this phone number is sandbox. You will also see the country, the name, and also the certificate. So if your display name is pending for review, after you click the view certificate, you will see pending review. Now I'm going to show you a verified approved number. So a verified and approved number, you will see the status here is connected, quality rating is high. The messaging limit is still unavailable because we haven't sent the first message yet, but this is already approved number. So by default, it will have a 1K per day push message limit. The country is a Spanish number. This is the name. You can change it one time, and also the certificate. So if you fill the certificate, you will see the display name is approved. So this is how you can check your WhatsApp Business API application status. So if you have any questions, you can go visit our website and contact us. And thank you for your time and have a nice day.